Hi, this is a quick introduction to finding notes on the piano. The first thing to realize is that as we go left on the keys, the notes get lower, and as we go right on the keys, the notes get progressively higher. We also have white keys down here and black keys up here. The black keys are actually going to be really useful in orienting you to the piano because we can see that we have a group of 2 and then a group of 3 black keys. That pattern repeats 2, 3, 2, 3, and so on, all the way up and down the keyboard. If we find the group of 2 black keys and go to the left white key, the white key that's directly to the left of the set of 2, that note is going to be C. And that's the case for every set of black keys. If we go up here to this set of 2 black keys and go to the white key to the left, that is also the note C. So spend some time finding the note C, and in the next lesson I'll teach you how to make a C chord.